Ladies and gentlemen, prepare yourselves for a journey into the unknown, where the boundaries of reality blur and the secrets of our world lie hidden beneath sheets of ancient ice. On August 26, 1946, the largest military fleet ever assembled for Antarctic exploration set sail into the frigid unknown. At its helm stood Admiral Richard Byrd, a man whose name was already etched in the annals of polar exploration. With 4,700 men, 13 ships, and a fleet of aircraft at his command, Byrd led the charge into the heart of Earth's most isolated continent. They called it Operation High Jump, but what they discovered there, well, that's where our story truly begins. The official narrative, as always, is a sanitized version of events. We're told it was a training mission, a chance to test equipment and map uncharted territories. Every achievement was noted down with military precision, every scientific breakthrough carefully cataloged and tucked away. But then, something went really wrong in those endless white spaces. It was like a nightmare unfolding, and nobody saw it coming. The mission, originally planned to last 8 months, was abruptly terminated after just a few weeks. They blamed it on weather conditions, equipment failures, the standard excuses trotted out when the truth is too bizarre, too terrifying to acknowledge. But here's where the shadows begin to creep in, where the veil of secrecy starts to fray at the edges. After Admiral Byrd passed away in 1957, his son uncovered something that would blow the minds of conspiracy theorists for years. Hidden among the Admiral's personal effects was a diary, a secret journal that painted a radically different picture of what transpired in those frozen wastelands. The contents were so extraordinary, so utterly mind-bending, that some claim government officials immediately classified them beyond public reach. According to these forbidden pages, Byrd didn't just map Antarctica's surface. He claimed to have flown through a massive opening at the pole itself, discovering something that defied every law of conventional geography. Warm lands beneath the ice, ancient forests where there should be nothing but frozen death. And most disturbing of all, evidence of intelligence. Not human intelligence as we know it, but something far more advanced, operating from deep within our planet's hollow core. The whispers grew darker still, echoing through the corridors of power and the shadowy realms of conspiracy theorists alike. Rumors emerged of Nazi submarines making mysterious journeys to Antarctica in the dying days of World War II, June to August 1945, just as the Third Reich crumbled. Secret installations, they claimed, hidden bases where the most dangerous minds of the Nazi regime had fled, taking with them technologies that could revolutionize or destroy our understanding of reality itself. Was Operation High Jump really a scientific mission, or was it something far more sinister? The abrupt termination, the classified reports, the decades of silence. Something happened down there in the ice and snow, something that shook the foundations of what we thought we knew about our world. Modern skeptics, of course, have attempted to debunk some of the evidence. They've revealed artificially generated images and fabricated documents, waving them as proof that the whole story is nothing but an elaborate hoax. But their very existence raises an even more chilling question. If the truth is being actively suppressed, what are they so desperate to hide? What forces are at work, pulling the strings behind the scenes, ensuring that certain secrets remain buried beneath the Antarctic ice? The frozen continent holds many secrets, but perhaps none more tantalizing than Admiral Byrd's final flight logs. In those pristine wastelands, where the boundary between reality and impossibility blurs like heat waves over endless ice, something was discovered that powerful forces decided humanity wasn't ready to know. What did Byrd see in those uncharted skies? What truths lie hidden in the pages of his classified diary? As we delve deeper into this mystery, we must ask ourselves, what are the implications if even a fraction of these claims are true? If there are indeed advanced civilizations operating beneath our feet, if the Nazis did establish a final stronghold at the bottom of the world, How does this change our understanding of history of science, of our very place in the universe? The question isn't whether we believe the official story. The question is, what are they still hiding beneath the ice, waiting to be thawed by the heat of human curiosity and the relentless pursuit of truth? Remember, in a reality where nothing is as it seems, the only certainty is that there are no certainties. Keep questioning, keep searching, and never stop looking beyond the veil of official narratives. The truth is out there, buried beneath the ice, waiting to be discovered. Stick around for the next episode of The Synthetic Oracle. We're diving deeper, peeling back those layers of deception, and shining a light on the hidden truths that really shape our world. You won't want to miss it. Now share your thoughts in the comments section below, and subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss our next voyage.